How to delete cover photo on Facebook Lite. Hey everyone, welcome back to another channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily delete your cover photo in Facebook Lite. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook Lite app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are logged in, the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right and then tap on your profile to view profile. So if you tap on your cover photo right here to see the cover photo and tap on the three lines, as you can see, there is no option to delete your cover photo. But what you can do is head over to the post section and then from here head over to photos, and it will show you all of your photos including your uploads, cover photos, profile pictures, and mobile photos. So just tap on cover photos right here, tap on the photo that you want to delete, tap on the three lines and then simply delete the picture. So if you are sure, just tap on yes. And now your cover photo is successfully deleted. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.